Hey guys, Chuck's here. I'm back. Okay, I've pulled apart this ALDI battery pack, which doesn't have a proper BMS on it, but it does have Samsung batteries in them, and you can get them cheap at ALDI, anywhere between $20 and $24. I'm not sure about other countries, but that's from here. I've already done the soldering on it. Well, not soldering, the bloody spot welding. I had to replace the batteries. These are the ALDI batteries now. So if you look really carefully, you can see that they're 20 amps. Now the original batteries, I haven't got them on me right now. They should be somewhere around here. They were, well, here's one here. It's only 13Q, so 13Q, to anyone that doesn't know it, is a 13,000 milliamp hour battery, or a 1.3 amp hour battery. So a 20Q is 2 amp hour battery. So the original box, this is the original cover for it. It has here, it's meant to be a fully charged 18 volt battery. So, and it's meant to have 24 watt hours in it. Now, but it's only got a 1.4 amp hour. Now, as I say in the video, and it'll come along later, but I've just added this to the start. They reckon these are only rated at 1300, so I'm wondering whether they're saying it's the draw current. But the surge current, and I know that people are just going to respond to me about this, the surge current would be more than that. So anyway, we're going to get into putting this pack together, and then we're going to test it, so keep tuned. Hey guys, Chuck's here. Fixing this up for my father-in-law. This was a Ryobi battery charger. Now underneath the battery charger it says 1,400 milliamp hours. The actual original batteries that went into it, and I don't know whether I've still got them sitting here or not. 20Q. That's interesting. Yeah, they came in at only 1,300. So they actually rate them, because of this plating, as 1,400, but they're not. They're only a 1,300 battery. So you know, Ryobi are telling little fibs with their batteries, or whoever's developing them for them. I'm not blaming Ryobi. I'm just saying maybe it can draw a surcharge higher, so that might be why they're saying it. So, but I'm replacing these with ALDI batteries, and these are 20Q, so they're 2,000 amp hour. I haven't tested them because they come out straight out of a brand new pack. I'm just, what I've found is that when I tried to re-solder with these, they won't do it. So what I've done is I've decided to go with a bit of nickel strip, which you can buy from AliExpress, and I've just replaced the nickel strip on there. So we'll get into it and we'll do a bit of battery soldering. Okay guys, I've fixed up the battery. There's the other battery there. This one was 1.4 or 1.3, depending on what you want to call it. I call it 1.3. It's now a 2000 milliamp hour battery, or 2 amp hour. Now if I plug that in, it's charging. So if you plug it in and you get flashing on both, you know you've got a problem with it and you need to play with it. So make sure that you're getting your full 18 or 19 volts out of it. There's 5 batteries in there, so 5 4s are 20, so you should get 20 volts out of it really. If it goes up to full charge, which is meant to be 4.2, 4.1, should be 20.4 or 20.8 on the battery, so that'll keep charging for a little while there. This one works fine. Now I've noticed on this, what I like about this drill, it's got a level here. It has a magnetic strip here which actually holds your tools there. Maybe not that, if I had screws that hold that. It has a light on the front and also has this clipping system. So yes, they've done a good job of that. It needs a little bit of a clean. I might take it down, put it through the compressor, but everything else is complete. Now I'll just hook these, change the battery over. I'll just have to take it off. You see if you can see this through the mirror. Sorry about this. There you go, that one's off. This one's on. This should have a little bit more power. Yep, it's all good. And then the other one can go on charge. Now, I did notice one thing. I lost a lot of the batteries in this system. So these 1.3s aren't as good as what you think they are. They probably last a fair while, but see, this is a 2012 battery. The actual sleeve is 2012 as well, so this has actually gotten, it's just turning almost 2020. It's almost got 8 years out of the actual drill. It was thrown out and I got it for a little over $5 at a recycle yard, and I fixed it. So yeah, needs a bit of a clean here too. I'll probably get the duster and clean out there, and other than that, this job's finished. So yeah, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. There's more to come. I've got a lot more videos coming along. Yeah, thank you all my subscribers, and Merry Christmas to all my subscribers. And I'm lucky to have over 1,000 subscribers. I've got 1,400 I think it is, or 200, and that's really good for me. I'm really happy to hear comments and stuff, and yeah, you guys have a safe and prosperous new year too. And thank you for watching. Okay, catch you on the next one.